How to fix TikTok direct message option not showing. Let's jump right into the steps. You want to open settings on your phone. As you do that, you want to scroll down and tap on General. After that, tap on iPhone storage. And then after it is loaded, you want to scroll down and tap on TikTok. Then here you need to offload the app. When you offload the app, all the caches will be deleted from the app. Next thing what you need to do is you want to open TikTok and then you want to tap on the profile and tap on 3 horizontal lines on the top right corner, tap on settings and privacy. Here you need to scroll down and tap on report a problem. After some time, the page will be loaded. Then here you need to scroll down a little bit and then you want to tap on direct messages. Then tap on any of the problem that you're facing and then you want to report the problem. That is how you can fix TikTok direct message option not showing. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.